here I have an iPhone showing that it's seen quite a bit of use. And one of the things that has happened over the years with this phone is it's lost its ability to basically repel liquids. As you can see, the liquid tends to grab on and stick wherever it goes. It doesn't just beat up and run like you'd see on a newer phone. For example, here you can see it automatically beads up and runs away without leaving any liquid behind. And that's where this comes into play, to give you that oleophobic coating again. Now it's really easy to use. I'm simply going to twist the top off here. I thoroughly clean the surface of the glass here. And we're going to deposit the liquid on there. You can see I've only used about half of that tube, and we're just going to cover the entire screen with it, just giving it a nice rub into the glass. Ensuring a nice even coating of it everywhere. And then we'll let this dry for about a half an hour and we'll check the results then. All right, it's been just about a half an hour, so let's take a look and see if we have a different result. And would you look at that? It's just running off. And this is 99.9% isopropyl alcohol. And you know, it's interesting, the feel as well. It feels a lot kind of like gliding. My finger is gliding on it. Didn't even think about that, but before I could definitely feel a difference. And having it come in this 100 pack, that's a lot of phones that you can bring back to having that coating.